How to download and install 7-Zip on Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to download and install 7-Zip on Windows 11. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, open your web browser and go to 7-zip.org. Press enter and then you will land on this official interface of 7-Zip, where you have to click on download from the site toolbar. Now you will reach on the section, and here you need to select the correct version for your system. If you are using Windows 11, you can simply select 64-bit version at the top. And now click on download button. After that, you need to save the installer to your desktop, and then simply click on this exe file and store in folder. Open it by double clicking on it and click on yes button again. And here you need to select the destination folder and click on install button. Once the installation process has been completed, click on close button. So in this way you can simply download and install 7-Zip on Windows 11 and archive any files or folder of your choice on 7-Zip. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.